What is up, everyone? This is Mukesh. Guys, Mukesh today. We are back with another one. Pendo 46. Yes, you heard it right. Pendo 46 and Perry Venus, bro. Track का नाम है Lose Myself. Lose yourself नहीं, Lose Myself, bro. Okay, that's look, it's coincidental, bro. जब Pendo 46 ने ये ट्रैक ड्रॉप किया तब Eminem ने अपना एल्बम ड्रॉप किया एंड ट्रैक का नाम है Lose Myself. Eminem का ट्रैक है Lose Yourself, guys. This is good, bro. So look, Pendo 46. हम लोग जानते हैं Pendo 46 एज अ प्रोड्यूसर. ही इज अ डोप प्रोड्यूसर, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन द बिजनेस. ठीक है, ऑल द वे फ्रॉम फिनलैंड. बहुत सारे बीट प्रोड्यूस किए एमए बंटाई के लिए एंड अपेरेंटली कृष्णा के लिए भी. like his beat was available and Krishna took it. Huge thing, it was a huge thing. But guys, Pendo 46 is here. ठीक है, Pendo 46 इसमें बीट प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर रहे हैं. Pendo 46 is actually going to spit. We're about to check it out. And he's collaborating with an Indian artist जिसका नाम है Perry Venus, bro. Perry Venus is a content creator. मुझे नहीं पता if he's predominantly a rap artist या फिर R&B artist. मुझे नहीं पता predominantly या फिर is a content like hit human, like tracks बनाते हैं but content भी बनाते हैं. Is that kind of person, bro. But anyway, Pendo 46 and Perry Venus. Track का नाम है Lose Myself. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Pendo 46 asked me to check this out, bro. Bro, guys, अपने चैनल का नाम बढ़ रहा है, bro. Pendo is asking us to check it out, bro. Let's get it. Oh my god, I'm already loving this, bro. This electric guitar, bro. Let's go.
There will be times when everything feels numb. There will be days where you don't have strength to overcome. As long as I don't lose myself, I will be alright. There will be times when everything feels numb. There will be days where you don't have strength to overcome. As long as I don't lose myself, I will be alright.
Bro, this is so old school, bro. This is so old school, bro. Punk rock. Pendo 46 ने पहला यही सेम लाइंस उसने पहले लो नोट्स में किए, फिर हाई नोट्स में किए एंड you can feel the rock artist in him, bro. You can see the rock artist in him and it's very old school. And why I'm saying it's very old school because it's very conventional. He's not twisting or modifying or he's not doing nothing to it, bro. He's keeping it as it is, bro. Very conventional, textbook style, punk rock, spitting. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's go. He's saying, bro. He's saying sometimes you feel that you can't overcome the problems, you know, the issues. You self-doubt. और तब ही सबसे ज़्यादा strength आपको चाहिए रहता है. So be patient. Be patient, bro. Keep walking. Keep walking. Let's get it.
Everything feels numb. There will be days where you don't have strength to overcome. As long as I don't lose myself, I will be alright. Every day feels the same, nothing changes. But never lose your faith, better things are on their way. Keep believing what you do and never break. There will be times when every
I like that little, auto tune. Let's go.
There will be times when everything feels numb. There will be days when you don't have strength to overcome. As long as I don't lose myself, I will be alright. There will be times when everything feels.
Oh, the tempo is getting faster, bro. Let's go. I like his vocals. I like his high notes vocals on this beat, bro. उसके जो high note vocals है वो मुझे इस beat पर अच्छा लग रहा है. He needs to work on his low notes, bro. जब वो low notes में spit कर रहा है, it feels like कि the energy is missing. And I know मैंने बोला conventional, जब भी आप conventional punk rock आर्टिस्टों को सुनोगे, the vocalist आप सुनोगे उनको तब वो भी इसी तरीके के पैटर्न को फॉलो करते हैं. लो नोट्स, हाई नोट्स एंड देन गेटिंग इनटू इट, बीट के साथ एकदम ही एक क्लैश होता है उनके वोकल्स का. बट लो नोट्स में उनका वो अग्रेसिवनेस दिखता है. you know, वो दिखता है. I think this is Pendo's first track as an artist. So we need to cut him some slacks, bro. Come on now. We need to cut him some slack. He's doing good, bro. He's doing good though. Let's go. And also camera presence. You know, talking about the visuals, Pendo 46 definitely need to work on his camera presence, bro. He need to work on his camera presence. Let's get it. Let's get it. You don't have to like. बहुत सारे लोग ये सोचते हैं कि you have to move a lot for the camera presence. No, you don't. You just have to, you know, feel confident in yourself and mean what you're saying, bro. And उसका perfect example है बेला का अभी जो recently track निकला है Confession. The camera is on him. The whole track, the camera is on him, and he's not moving. He's not moving a lot in that video, bro. He's not moving a lot in that video. ठीक है, montages आपको दिखेंगे कुछ कुछ बेला के, but most of the time, and वहाँ पे एक point भी है जहाँ पे कैमरा एकदम ही focused रहा बेला के ऊपर, and Bella is just looking at the camera. That's called camera presence, bro. You just have to mean it, and you have to be confident. Be confident. That's it, bro. Let's go. Pendo, let's get it.
On the way, keep believing what you do and never break. Times when everything feels numb. There will be days when you don't expect to overcome. As long as I don't lose myself, I will be alright. There will be times when everything feels numb. There will be days when you don't expect to overcome. As long as I don't lose myself, I will be
Come on.
And I was hanging on the edge of my love. Going back to your ex's not love. You ran away.
Going back to exes, that's no love. Bro, you should relax, bro. Perry, bro. You should relax, bro. You don't know, bro. My ex is sweet, bro. She's sweet, bro. I can go back, bro. You don't tell me what to do. But I love this, bro. I love the transition. I love the look. अभी हम एकदम ही हाई पे थे, इस ट्रैक के सबसे पीक पर थे. And then the drop. Then the drop. Everything is quiet now. Regular, you know, वो beat चल रहा है, वो guitar चल रहा है, electric guitar, and Perry Venus is, you know, talking his thing, bro. Let's go. Let's go.
And I was hanging on the edge of my love. Going back to your ex's not love. You ran away with another man. You never thought of me but him as your lover. And I can think of
He's not talking to me, bro.
You never thought of me but him as your lover. And I can think another 100 reasons. You still touch me and feel so different. And you don't want me, and that's okay. But when you pissed around, please don't call my name. There will be times when everything feels numb. There will be days when you don't expect to.
I like this whole, you know, the whole get up, bro. You know, the earrings, जो वो पहना है, the tattoo. He got that, and the nose ring as well. That punk rock look. He got going, bro. He got it going. Let's
When
get
you
it.
pissed around, please don't call my name. There will be times when everything feels numb. There will be days when you don't expect to overcome. As long as I don't lose myself, I will be alright. There will be times when everything feels numb. There will be days when you don't expect to overcome. As long as I don't lose myself, I will be
Bro, did he just do uppity pode pode? Did he just do uppity pode dance step, bro? Perry, you need to relax. You need to relax, bro. What did you do, bro? That was not crip walk, bro. Oh wow. Lekin guys, Perry and Fendo, you need to work on your camera presence, bro. You know why you holding that, bro? Why you leave that, bro? Leave that, Fendo. You need to leave that, bro. But guys, I really enjoyed this track. All in all, I enjoyed this track, bro. Overall, it's a very enjoyable track. The music was good. The production was good. I like Fendo when he was hitting those high notes. Okay? And he was talking good. Writing was good. Yes, आप बोल सकते हो this is nothing new. Like people have talked about this, people have wrote about this. Okay, it's fine. People have done lot of things. बर्गर बहुत लोग बनाते हैं, राइट? ऐसा नहीं कि एक इंसान ने बर्गर बनाया फिर लोगों ने स्विच कर लिया और कुछ बनाते हैं. नहीं, उसी बर्गर को सब लोग अपने अपने तरीके से बना रहे हैं और लोग जाके सब दूसरे तरीके से खा रहे हैं और लोगों को जो पसंद आ रहा है वहीं पे जा रहे हैं रेगुलरली, राइट? रेगुलरली मतलब रेगुलरली मत जाओ कोई बर्गर खाने, बिकॉज दैट्स नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ. बट गाइस, it is what it is. Like same, yes, I understand the lyrics, I understand the emotions, I understand the topic. Use हो चुका है, you know, but he presented in a different beat, he presented in a different instrumental, and you have to respect him for that, bro. Put some respect on Pendo 46's name, bro. You know, Pendo, bro. He's Pendo from Finland, bro. All the way from Finland. This is Finland, ex-India. You know, Pendo 46 and Perry Venus. Perry Venus, he did good, bro. He got that whole punk rock look going on, and I really like that. But दोनों के कैमरा प्रेजेंस में बहुत काम है, ठीक है? दोनों के, Perry Venus को and Pendo को ज़्यादा, because Pendo he knows how to, you know, उनके vocals, उनके lyrics बहुत अच्छे थे. Those high notes, he was killing those high notes. It was like perfect punk rock vocalist की तरह लग रहा था मेरे को Pendo, ठीक है? Perfect punk rock vocalist. He's a part of band. I'm watching this band perform. You know, I was feeling that. But when I was looking at the visuals, he's holding this, bro. He's holding this for no reason, bro. Why are you holding that, bro? Bro, Pendo 46, Perry Venus, Lose Myself. Let me in the comment section, guys. आप जाओ original track, like करो अगर आप enjoy कर रहे हो, and feedback दो. Give him the feedback, bro. Give him the feedback. Perry Venus को भी जाके feedback दो. Let him know how much did you like this track or how much you didn't. And according to that, वो आगे और tracks बनाएंगे. Feedback is necessary, guys. Feedback is necessary. So Pendo 46, Perry Venus, Lose Myself. Let me in the comment section below कैसा लगा आपको ये track, and subscribe to our channel. Post content. See you next video. Until then.